Open the package and take out the network video recorder and other contents. Unfasten screws of the cover. Remove the cover of the network video recorder. Insert the hard disk drive. Fix the hard disk drive with screws. Install the cover. Fix the cover with screws. Connect the mouse to the network video recorder and connect the network video recorder to the monitor using a VGA or HDMI cable. Connect the network video recorder to the internet using an Ethernet cable and plug the power adapter of the network video recorder. Connect the switch to the internet and connect the camera to the switch using an Ethernet cable. Connect the power adapter to the camera. Power on the camera. Power on the network video recorder. Use the mouse to activate the network video recorder. Complete unlock pattern settings. Choose whether to automatically add the LAN side camera and complete the network and cloud configuration. The network video recorder will automatically connect to the camera and provides preview. Click the playback button to view the playback recordings. Scan the QR code on the cloud service page of the network video recorder to bind it. You can preview monitoring videos on TDSEE app after the network video recorder is bound successfully. Tap the playback button to view the playback recordings. You can receive alarm notification in real time.